The country is under pressure to identify new, more sustainable ways to dispose of chicken litter, and the Tully Biogas plant is making a contribution to that solution. Stream is an Irish-owned independent renewable energy development company, and we specialise in the development of biogas plants. We cover all aspects of project development from inception through to planning stages, through to construction and through to operation. A lot of companies make claims to being able to process substantial amounts of poultry litter at their plants, but there was very little evidence to support this. Xergi introduced us to their NIX system, which was the most credible and proven technology that we had encountered at that stage. They have a very committed team that always delivers on its promises, and in our case they delivered our facility within budget and on time frame. They also have a very important research facility in the University of Aarhus in Denmark. It's a pilot scale digester, and we've been exporting poultry litter from Northern Ireland to that facility over the last number of years to run some trials and tests, and some very valuable information has been obtained from that facility, which has informed the process design of the Tully Biogas plant. There was a perception of risk associated with the project because of the high level of innovative technologies in the process. We overcame the challenge with the support of Xergi, who were able to demonstrate the viability of the technology to the investors. Another source of comfort to our investors is that Xergi are also appointed to operate the plant under a 10-year O&M contract. So one of the key successes during the development of the project was Xergi having the plant commissioned in time to allow us become accredited to qualify for the Renewable Energy Support Tariff, which is the ROC scheme, Renewable Obligation Certificates, and these are absolutely essential to the financial viability of the project. Construction began in June 2016 and was completed by October 2017, so a 16-month construction period. This was followed by about 6 months of commissioning, and we're now successfully into operations, and Xergi are operating the plant on our behalf under a long-term O&M contract. We produce 3 megawatts of energy from up to 40,000 tonnes per annum of chicken litter. This is in the form of renewable electricity, which is exported to the national grid to power local homes and businesses. And we receive renewable obligation certificates, or ROCs, for the energy produced.
Tully Biogas plant currently comprises of 10 people. We have 2 full-time plant engineers, we have 7 operators, and we have myself, the plant manager. From the reception hall we load the litter directly into our 2 hoppers, which currently hold 110 tonnes between the 2 of them, which is approximately 1 day's worth of production. The hoppers then feed a communal chain conveyor, which feeds our 4 flex feed modules, our mixing modules, where we blend it with water and we circulate it liquid and then heat it to the digester temperature and pump it into the digesters then from there. We have 2 primaries and 2 secondary digesters, and we run them in sequence. So the 2 primaries, once they've run their course and extracted all of the gas, we'll then pump into the secondary digesters to remove any residual biogas, and then from the secondary digesters we pump it back into the plant via a macerator, which ensures homogeneous particle size throughout the liquid. The pasteurisation stage is designed to allow us to comply with both PAS 110 quality protocol and also with the animal byproducts regulations in the UK for a finished product that has been fully pasteurised and is now clean. The entire plant is controlled by our control system SCADA, which has been designed by Xergi. The SCADA system is quite unique. It's connected to everything. We can connect it to smartphones, connect it to tablets, connect it to laptops, but also in particular, Xergi guys back in Denmark are also able to connect into it to provide quite a large amount of support remotely without having to come to the plant.
Chicken litter is converted into 3 forms of biofertiliser. We produce a fibre fraction, which is rich in phosphorus, and this is a useful soil conditioner to replenish organic matter in soils. We produce a liquid fraction, which can be spread locally on grasslands which have a demand for nitrogen. And we also produce an ammonium sulfate solution, which is a potent fertiliser that is typically used on arable lands.